Now, I'll tell you what, there are only 7 days left to go. Yes, it is our little black dress diet, and it reaches its climax next week. Thanks to the thousands of you who've been taking part. Hope you're doing well. But as you know, alongside the diet, every Thursday we've been testing out some of the quick fixes that promise to shift an extra pound or two. Now, this morning, a salon treatment that claims to melt fat in just 40 minutes. Well, our Carol went to find out. Here she is.
Today we're going to do a stomach treatment. We're going to do 4 positions with the probes. So we're going to place them where the fat is itself, which would be here to eliminate this fat, here to eliminate this fat. If we look at your hip bones, above your hip bones, where your love handles are, we have quite a bit of excess. So we can expect to lose, in one treatment, between 2 and 4 inches, I would say. When we're going to do your thigh treatment, we'll be looking to treat this area here. So this is the excess that you have, okay? So your total effect would be a straighter thigh that leaves you with a fantastic figure on your legs. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you line down, you relax. We're going to place the probes in their positions on the stomach, okay? These are multi-probes, so what these do is they're designed to break down the fat. And then we're going to strap you in quite firmly. So these are the diodes, okay? And what these do is these go on the lymph system to be able to open up the lymph and allow the body to get rid of the toxins.
I feel like I've got a hot water bottle, one on my tummy and one on my thigh.
Carol is here now. Now, I've been sceptical about this.
This is one that you really need to save up for because it's not cheap.
Right.
It's they recommend.
There's always a catch.
I know there is, isn't there? They recommend a course of 8 treatments,
right.
And it works out to be about £1,000 for the course.
So you get this treatment, and then you've got to work hard.
Yes, 45 minutes cardio and
right.
20 minutes on a power plate straight afterwards.
And do they do that in the place?
Yeah,
you don't have to go in and do it by yourself. Because I know I wouldn't.
Yeah, well, this is
right,
the thing.
okay.
You do your 20 minutes power plate in the after the session.
Oh, right, okay.
And then you go off, and within 24 hours you have to do 45 minutes of cardio.
You know, the thing about it is, sounds very, very good, but it is expensive. This is not cheap.
Yes, it is one that you really need to save up for. You know, especially
right.
when you compare it to the other treatments that I've done already for this.
Sure.
I mean, I started with a green tea abdomen treatment, which was amazing, but that was 60 quid. You can see it there, actually.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, and that was great for sort of toning up the stomach. And the Cinderella treatment, which I did last week, £35 per session. Quick fix, though, because it really is something that you do on the day of you wearing the outfit. And then, obviously, the laser lipo, which isn't cheap.
And you have to make sure you do that, because presumably if you just got that and you didn't go away and do your 45 minutes to an hour of workout, hard workout,
yes,
it's not going to work.
It's not going to work.
Right, okay.
It's not going to work, so you have to do it.
There still isn't the thing that you don't do anything.
No, right. But is that possible, though? And they also
so.
do say that you do need to have a healthy diet with this as well. So
right.
Yeah.
So don't be thinking to yourself that you go along there, get that, and don't do anything else.
No, absolutely not.
I'm with you. And it is about toning, isn't it? It's about toning
yeah.
up. About toning up. Okay, very, very interesting. Thank you very much indeed. If you make sure that you're with us next week for the final of our Little Black Dress diet, we'll find out just how far our 3 women have come. 3 viewers have agreed to let us follow them on the diet: Steph, Maxine and Laura. Look at your bottom, it's gorgeous.
It's fantastic. It's so easy to follow. I feel so empowered that I'm actually doing something about it now.
The jeans I've got on now are a 14s and literally they're falling off.
And again,
great boobs, by the way.
I'm telling you now, you miss this, you miss out.
Well, they're doing good, and of course it's all about you as well. Perhaps you've done it with the girls at work, or perhaps you're all talking about it at the school gates. We're looking for a group to get involved with the final of our Little Black Dress diet. Send us your stories and your pictures. We could even be live with you at your home or your workplace next week, you know, when we'll see you all wearing your little black dresses and looking fantastic. Now then, how does a dream holiday to Australia sound? It's